How to make your website accessible in a few days without pulling your hair out. So you've gotten that demand letter that's stating that you're non-compliant with ADA or accessibility laws, and you're stressed out because you're facing potential fines and a lawsuit. And so what are you going to do to reduce your stress and to get your website compliant? Well, what you can do is use Web Access Pro or any other type of software that's able to identify what's wrong with your site from an accessibility standpoint, and then tell you exactly where the errors are so that you can go back into the code or have the developer that works on your site go back into the code and fix those issues. The beauty of these software of Web Access Pro is that it will be able to quickly identify these issues for you and tell you exactly what you need to fix. And it will also tell you whether the errors are minor errors or serious or critical errors, because it helps you to prioritize what you need to fix. And often you can respond to these demand letters to let the people know that you are taking action to fix your site. And you can start with the more critical errors first and get them fixed, and then move towards all the minor errors until your website is fully compliant. And this way you can relax and you can be sure that you're able to get all your code fixed for your site. And then you can respond to these demand letters and not worry that you're going to have to spend thousands of dollars in a fine or get sued. So this is what you can do to help reduce your stress and get your website compliant. Presented by Designers Learn Code.